The transportation management system is functional for everyone throughout the nation. But we realize inconveniences regarding UI while going through it. Taking this as an advantage, our team, Disna Santal, Prerna Pandey, Riza Moharjan implemented what we have learned during the classes of HCI. How we applied HCI in the web portal is elaborated through this conversation between our group member Disna and third year civil engineering student Akriti. Hi Disna, how are you doing?
Hello Akriti, I'm doing good. How about you?
I'm good, but thinking about waiting on a lengthy line of registration of my new scooter is really wearing me out.
You know there is Nepal Yatayat's web portal where vehicles can be registered online.
Oh, really?
Yes, recently the government of transportation has also gone digital, but in regards to the interface of the web portal, there are still few hiccups.
What are the problems regarding the UI of our portal?
Few concerning problems are inconsistency in fonts, color patterns, and the information on the screen are very hard to navigate.
Yes, it seems very clustered. How can this UI be improved?
Quite coincidentally, we're the project of human computer and interaction. My team and I have worked on this web portal to improve its UI by utilizing the data collected from series of surveys of the people with different professions and ages.
So, what was the outcome of your survey and how did you utilize them?
Large ratio of people agreed on unnoticeable links, icons, buttons, improper use of fonts, colors, and format. Many negative responses about the experience while using the portal was also noted. We developed paper prototypes accordingly and resurveyed to make sure to satisfy most of the reviewers. Then again improvised our paper prototype to achieve the best UI possible.
How can you satisfy all the people by surveying such a small group?
To overthrow that, we created three user personas representing our user base, which helped us point out the possible setbacks. We also carried out heuristic evaluation, which is the evaluation done by experts. In our case, we did it with the two of other groups of our class for betterment of the digital design and made changes accordingly in the final UI design as they had issues with color patterns and typography.
All the previous measures are applied by interacting with the users in real life and imagination. How did you improvise on the basis of your study?
We implemented few rules of Snyderman's 8 golden rules. They are strive for consistency. Whether it is colors, icons, or labels, it's important to be consistent throughout the UI. Consistency plays an important role by keeping users become familiar with the UI. Offer informative feedback. For every action, there should be substantial feedback so that users would have an idea of where their processes are. Permit easy reversal of actions. Actions should be reversible as much as possible. It relieves anxiety of the user. Support internal local of control. We need to give control and freedom to the users so that it feels easy for the user to complete the required work without any hesitation. Reduce short-term memory load. Humans are only capable of maintaining around 5 items in our short-term memory at a time. Therefore, interfaces should be as simple as possible, choosing recognition over recall.
Now that you have pointed out, I realize those points are relevant and makes the user's experience more convenient.
Yes, the HCI course as a whole is very interesting. How did you find the improvised UI in comparison to the original UI of the course?
Final UI turned out nice, seems easier to navigate and is not disturbing as the initial one. Your team has done a good job and I hope the government would also imply the HCI so that the public can have good digital experience.
That was the end of the conversation.